Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today I have come on Petro Canada gas station and I'm gonna show you how to use it. This is self-service, and in many places in US Canada you're gonna find like this. Manual are like rare nowadays. So I'm gonna show you. Make sure you watch it till the end. Okay. So at some pumps you find like diesel along with gasoline, both are present. So don't do this mistake like switching between them. Like if your fuel is gasoline, make sure you do gasoline, and if it's diesel, make sure you use diesel. Okay, now it's very easy. You have to follow the prompt. Okay, now it is asking you to insert Petro Canada card, fuel saving, or whatever you have. So I have Petro Canada card here with me, so I'm gonna insert that. It's asking me to remove. I remove. Now it's asking me to either enter fuel saving card or insert tap payment card. So I'm gonna do payment card here. Okay, so I entered my payment card and I selected the amount. Now it's asking me to enter the PIN. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna enter OK. PIN verified. I'm doing for $50. Approved. Remove the card now. I'm gonna do OK. Now I'm gonna remove the nozzle and I need to select a grade. Okay, so I select this regular one. Do not select diesel one when you have gasoline to take. Don't do that mistake. Now open your gas tank. Insert your nozzle and pump the gas. Just press this. See this? Just press this. And once it is done, it will give you like it will stop automatically. Don't forcefully do more. And if you see at the pump that numbers are going up, so basically gas is being filled up automatically. Okay, and any amount that is remaining will return to your account, and anything like, and if your gas consumption is exceeding that amount, it will not exceed that amount, because if it reaches the amount you have prepaid, it's gonna stop right over there. So I'm gonna show you. Right now I am at 19 liters. Soon it should be over. Okay, so I am done. Make sure you close nozzle and other things. And put it back. You see the gas I purchased. You can put the receipt here if you want. Receipt, and the receipt comes out. So that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. Thank you.